Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we're filming the Love Goodly subscription unboxing for October. I guess this is the October-November box because they do it bi-monthly. And I do have a product on to show you and talk about. It is the Medusa's Makeup Mystical Eye Dust in Psyche, I believe. And it's a very pretty color. I'm still going very light on the makeup ever since the face mask breakout incident, but it is a super pretty color. I used it very light-handed because that's just how I would use it anyway, and it's really pretty, but I think you could get it way darker than this, and you definitely have to pat it on because there are some larger sparkles in here, although honestly they're not gaudy when on. I think this is definitely something someone with more wrinkled eyelids could get away with, so really pretty product, and I'll probably be keeping that. Now let's get into the Love Goodly box. The Goodly is a more expensive one. I want to say it's like 40 something for every 2 months, and I get the add-on because they have like a buy up where you can get an extra product on there, and I always get that. So this month in the regular subscription, it says it's an $84 value, eco-friendly, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and it looks like we're getting 5 products in the regular subscription, and then I have the card for the buy-up as well. So let's go ahead and get into these. So the first item I pulled is the Ultimate Replenisher Electrolyte Hydration Mix. So these are just little powder things you add into your beverage or your smoothie or whatever to up your electrolytes. And it says this is a $4 value, 3-pack variety clean electrolyte powder. All these words. Ugh. Ultima is sweetened with organic stevia leaf. Ugh. I don't like stevia personally, so I definitely will use this in a smoothie instead of adding it to water, because I want that flavor of stevia buried. And made with real fruit flavor extracts that taste delicious, vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, caffeine-free, plant-based, extracted colors, and real fruit extract flavors. So not a terrible product. It's only $4, so I imagine there's more products in the box that are a little heftier in price, but yeah, I don't love stevia, so definitely something I would use in a smoothie over a straight up water drink, but something I will use. So it's kind of meh, but I will use it. Next item we have is from Equal RxN. This is the Oat Milk Ph Serum, and it says it has 5% lactobionic acid, 2% oat milk complex, and snow mushroom. So here is the product packaging. I like this light blue with this off-white. I think it's really pretty. And let's open it up. So it does have like a milky appearance in the bottle. The bottle is really frosty and kind of chic. Let's read about it. So this is a $28 value, so it's a higher cost item. Get your glow on with Oat Milk Ph Serum containing 5% premium PHA vegan lactobiotic acid. This milky serum boosts water retention, locks in moisture, and gently exfoliates to give a more refined, even, and glowy skin complexion without irritation. Oat milk and snow mushroom polysaccharide repair, reduce redness, and give skin a plumped appearance. It's truly an all-in-one serum, vegan, non-toxic, Korean beauty. What's not to love? And then it says, note, some stickiness is normal upon initial application, but disappears after serum dries. So it's nice that they tell you it should be sticky so that you're not like, ugh, there's something wrong with mine. Then it says they suggest using 3 to 4 drops or under your moisturizer or mixed in with your moisturizer, and then to wait to let it dry before using other products. And they also give a coupon code EqualRxN25 for 25% off at their website, equalrxnskin.com. So that's pretty cool. So you know me, it's all about the ingredients. So let's take a look here. Da 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 da. I'm not seeing anything to be concerned about. So this is definitely what I'm going to throw in my rotation. I'm really excited about that. Most of the time the serum type products we get in these boxes are not ones I would end up using personally just because of something in the ingredient list, but this one seems like it's going to be a great fit in my skincare routine. So that's pretty exciting. Let's see, the next item we have is from J&L Naturals. And this is the Strengthening Hair Serum in Orange and Clove. Now, I already have one of their hair serums, I believe, and I'm almost done with it. And I believe the claims on that one were that it helps with hair growth. And while I think that it helped extend the need for a haircut because it cared for the ends really well, I don't think it helped with actual growth. So that's my little opinion review on it. But it's certainly something I'd use again. I mean, it's basically just a hair oil. And then it keeps your hair and your ends looking good. I mean, not today. I'm looking a little fluffy today, but you know, can't always have a winning day. But let's talk about this product. So here's what it looks like. I'm not going to show you the box. The box is pretty generic, but here is what the little container looks like. I'm sure it looks familiar because we have had this product before. And so it looks like you would get the hair growth serum or the hair strength serum. So I've already had the growth serum. This is the strength serum. So this is a different one that I have. It's a $26.99 value. Grow your hair long, strong, and healthy, made with your unique hair type in mind, which you're not going to get the product with your unique hair type in mind because there's no survey involved with this subscription, but I'm sure if you ordered from the website, it would be a little more personalized. Anyway, grow your hair long, strong, and healthy, made with your unique hair type in mind. These ultra nourishing formulas give your hair exactly what it's craving to flow flawlessly. Vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, sustainable, and gluten-free. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this. I like the other one, even though I don't think it necessarily lives up to its claims. It is a nice hair oil. It's just like a combination of various oils: grapeseed, sweet almond, coconut, jojoba, argan, castor, essential orange, and essential clove. I'm not so worried about essential oils on my hair. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that because I will use that, and I have been using the other one and enjoying it. Next product we have in here, also from J&L Naturals. It's a konjac sponge, and it says aloe vera on here, so I guess it is infused with aloe vera. Let's go ahead and read about that. It's a $7.99 value. This konjac sponge gently exfoliates your skin by sloughing away dead skin cells, leaving you with smooth, glowing complexion. While it's gentle enough for a baby's skin, use it on the daily to exfoliate and reveal the most radiant skin you've ever had. Oh yeah, and it's completely zero waste and made with 100% biodegradable, compostable, and recyclable container. That's pretty cool. Vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, sustainable, and gluten-free. So I've had a konjac sponge type product before that has come in this box, and doesn't smell like anything. These generally are just not for me. I just not that into them. So I'm gonna show it to you, but I'm gonna put it back in the box and give this to a friend. I am not mad about it being in the box because they are a cool product, but I'm just not personally into it. So I don't feel meh about it being in the box. I'm just not gonna use it realistically. So yeah. And then the last product actually included in the box has some really cool art on it. This is the Hip Stick Body Balm. Here is that. Looks kind of like a traditional American tattoo style kind of art. Really cool. And let's read about this. This is an $18 value, so there must be a whole lot of something special packed in this tube. Hip Stick Body Balm infused with organic ingredients, totally vegan and cruelty-free. The balm is superior for all over body hydration, including lips, hand, feet, elbows, and knees. Multifunctional formula helps to soothe the cuticles and provide exceptional shine to hair while tamping flyaways. A must to rejuvenate existing tattoos and help accelerate the healing of new tattoos. Hip Stick's vegan formula is infused with organic cannabis oil, sunflower seed oil, aloe vera oil, lavender flower oil, matcha tree oil, and passion flower oil. Vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. So it looks like this is just something you can use literally everywhere. I will probably use it on my body, probably in those areas like it indicates, the drier areas, the feet, ankles, elbows, knees. I think that's probably the best use for me. But yeah, sounds like you can use it anywhere. I am curious to kind of use it on my hair, just because these kind of products you usually don't hear about using them on your hair in the description, so I'm very interested in that. But yeah, cool product. I like the packaging. I like the art. It's really pretty. Then the last product we have in here is the buy-up product that I go ahead and purchase just to make these videos a little more interesting. It is from Pure-Ceuticals. It's the Feroloxy Antioxidant Serum. So, it's got 20% L-ascorbic acid, resveratrol. It says it's age-reversing, brightening. I ain't mad at a vitamin C serum. So as long as the ingredients are good, I'm really excited about this. But let me read you the description first. And it said, this is a long description. It says infused with 20% vitamin C in the form of L-ascorbic acid and 0.5% ferulic acid and vitamin E formulated at a pH of 3.5 L-ascorbic acid is the most effective form of vitamin C. A blend of potent antioxidants to protect against environmental damage, reduction of lines, and while firming and brightening. These are written so like confusingly. This powerful serum uses both ferulic acid, a plant-based antioxidant, free radical scavenger, and stabilizer, along with sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which also works as a stabilizer, promoting collagen production and helping clear skin. Naturally derived fruit extracts aid in cellular interaction with and encourage collagen synthesis. Gently exfoliating malic acid offers a great penetration of vitamin C and active botanicals, which enhance the benefits of this age-reversing serum. Perfect for all skin types, vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, GMO. It says the benefits help with photo damage and premature aging, evens out skin tone, and enhances moisture content, builds up collagen synthesis, helps with wrinkle reduction, acne fighting, free radical scavenger, acts as a guard against the sun. So that is a mouthful. This is a $68 product, which is insane. That price is wild. The packaging's wonderful. It's a frosty glass with a pump and a lid over the pump. So here's that. Really nice packaging. And let's go ahead and read the ingredients. Where are they? Because you know that's all that matters to me. And once again, we're 2 for 2 here. I'm not seeing anything terrible on here. Nothing that I want to avoid. Oh, it says on the bottom, formulated without parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, phthalates, silicones, and ureas. That said, I don't even see non-synthetic fragrances. I don't see any fragrant items on here, at least not that jump out at my eye. So this is pretty exciting. I'm very excited. This is overall a really, really good box this month. This product is so expensive, so I'm excited that it's actually something I want to use. I will be using these 3. I'm actually very excited about. I'll be using that, even though I don't know how to feel about it yet, being in balm stick form, but I'm going to try it and see how it goes. These are meh, but you know, I'll use them. And the other thing I really won't be using is the contact sponge, and that's just a preference thing. I don't think they're terrible products. I just don't particularly care for them on my own body. So I think it's a texture thing. Yeah, overall, really good box. I'm really pleased with it. And if you get this box, I'd love to know what your opinions on it were. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. And I just got my closets done, so I'll be filming a home update to show you guys my closets in a couple weeks. I have visitors right now, so I don't want to film while they're here because one of the closets is kind of where they are. But Otherwise, that's a very exciting video and I can't wait to show you. But anyway, I'm rambling and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!